Now, are you tired of renting and dreaming of owning your own home? If I tell you for $700,000, approximately $2,500 a month, you could own this corner home, garden level in Burnaby. This home is located on this cherry blossom street with private front patio, walkout access, and you're only 5 minutes away to the SkyTrain station, a Stride Elementary School, and the brand new Rosemary Brown Rec Centre. Plus, it's just steps away from the upcoming Southgate City. This is Burnaby's exciting new urban center. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle change. Today, we're touring unit number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner home with over 800 square feet of living space. Now, as soon as you arrive, you are greeted by this private 200 square feet patio. It's fully covered, peaceful, and exclusively yours. Now, stepping inside, you are immediately welcomed by incredible open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings, oversized windows, allowing natural light to flood every corner. And wood flooring throughout, this corner home truly shines. I absolutely love this built-in window bench. It's like your own private cafe at home. Okay, now let's talk about the heart of this home, this beautiful kitchen. You have dark granite countertops that contrast perfectly with the white backsplashes here. Plenty of storage space, stainless steel appliances throughout. You have dual sinks, which make this kitchen exceptionally functional. And it's perfect kitchen to entertain your family and friends. Down the hall, the guest bathroom features a convenient walk-in shower. And right next door is the second bedroom. It's bright and comfortable. Now check out this primary bedroom. It comfortably fits a queen-size bed with 2 nightstands and surrounded by tons of natural light, and leads right into the spacious walk-through closet, thoughtfully designed with his and her sections. And the ensuite bathroom, it offers dual sinks, even have a bonus window, adding natural light and fresh air to your deep soaker tub experience. And did I mention this home comes with 2 parkings and a locker? And here is why this home is truly perfect for you. Number 1 is the low startup fees. Number 2, you have direct access, so no elevator waits. And number 3, this private front yard. So this is not only more affordable renting, but also a step towards building your future. If you are ready to move from renting to home ownership, my name is Ken. I'm from True Partner Real Estate Team. Give me a call, text, or email to secure this amazing home before anyone else.